Only empty containers make noise. Governor Fubara hates Wike's camp and says, I know why they are frustrated. A worker passed for a direct response to an avalanche of attacks to his person. Most recently, the Rivers State Governor, Siminalayi Fubara, has vowed that he would never give away his kidney or liver just to be loyal to anybody. As a matter of fact, I belong to that school of thought that if I am the only person that needs to stand on that side of right, I will stand there. I do not need anybody to stand with me. I cannot give my kidney or liver to anybody. I won't. If that is the only reason for me to be loyal, I will not be. But I will not do the wrong thing. I will stand for the side of right, Fubara said. On the allegation of the FCT minister, Nyesom Mike, of a state-sponsored attempt to bomb the venue of the Grand Civic Reception by Rivers Ijaw People's Council, RIVCO, RIVCO at Rainbow Town in Port Harcourt on Saturday in his honor, Fubara said, I make bold to say it. There is no security agency in this state that I have called any day to go and do something wrong. I have never. I do not have a need for it, but I know what they do, and they keep failing because God has left them. Governor Fubara made the assertion at the Interdenominational Church Thanksgiving service organized as part of activities marking the 64th Independence Day celebration of Nigeria at St. Paul's Cathedral of Anglican Communion at the Garrison Junction in Port Harcourt on Sunday. The governor explained that he signed a contractual sum of 200 billion naira loan papers from Zenith Bank to fund the construction of the 50.15-kilometer dual carriage Port Harcourt Ring Road as a project started by his administration, adding that his administration is embarking on the construction of the Trans-Calabar Road project worth 225.1 billion naira, plus the General Hospital together with the Psychiatric Hospital in Obiakpo local government area, among others, which nobody can lay claims at all that the project were being funded without borrowing. They even say they don't know what you are doing. Let me remind them, it is Fubara that signed the paper to borrow from Zenith Bank the 200 billion naira for the construction of the Port Harcourt Ring Road. So it is my project. It is Fubara that awarded the Trans-Calabar Road they could not do. They only did a bridge from Kakrama, but I am the one doing it, the complete span, and it is 225 billion naira. I did not borrow. It is the same Fubara that is building a general hospital, which I also included a psychiatric hospital because they will need it very soon. So tell them that what I did in 1 year is what they did in 8 years. It is only an empty container that makes noise. If God has given you opportunity, eat your plantain and keep quiet. God will continue to give us the strength to do our best for our people without fear. Very soon you will see what we are doing. It is not about doing rules to your business interest. I do not have any business interest. Whatever I am doing it for the people of River State. We will not take any decision that we cannot defend. We will not be a part of anything that will bring any form of disgrace to our dear state. This state is important to us. It is the only thing that we have. It is the beautiful pride. That is why they are struggling, coupled with the improvement in the internally generated revenue we have done. That is why they are struggling. We know. But do it with modesty. You do not need to destroy the house. Well. Is Fubara calling Wike empty container? Fubara must be insane. Oh, see. You no concern me. When Wike they come outside, they talk in own. See, the thing is, anybody will do quiet. Anybody will do quiet. We can't start to the talk all of a sudden. This is not me supporting anybody, but anybody that is originally quiet. And I don't say this person, to get this person to talk is hard work. You need to come outside and do a lot of things. And all of a sudden, that person now started talking. My brother, they do that person. If they don't oppress him. The thing don't choke and reach truth. You know if he talk. As he know if he breathes. He just shout the talk so that he go fit talk out. Make him no go die in silence. Kilo de, wetin be the issue? Eh? What interests me here is the building of a psychiatric hospital that somebody will need it. What a way to deal with a lunatic. I didn't call name more. Ah, my brother, the governor impressed me. You people like violence. This spirit Wike will not sleep just because of... I did tell you. I'm telling people, okay, see. Let me give you people a snippet, okay? You know, this is the month that Fubara is supposed to run or do the River State election, right? He's supposed to do the election this month. And I am scared for him already because I know that Wike in himself will do everything possible, humanly possible, to make sure that this man called Fubara, that he does not win the election. He's going to try and play all the tactics. That is why, as people are coming out to say, Fubara is putting things in place, I'm like, do not be too excited. Oh. See, this man called Wike, the man, in the chop sand, in the chop hair, in the eat sawdust. He does not mind chewing sawdust to make sure that Fubara does not. So I'm telling you, anything wey make person wey no dey talk come out dey talk. For people wey go come and say Fubara is making noise, na lie. You know wetin that man don see? You know wetin Fubara don use in 2 eye like this see? For him to come outside come say wetin happen, you want my kid, you want my kidney and liver, I no dey give. Something is happening, na something na prompt am to talk. This is not me defending anybody, shao. Because me, I like the fact saying they come outside say he go stand on the, as he go do wetin the people want, he go do the right thing. Now that one I dey even totori me pass. So River State people, he say he go make sure say he go give na good governance. Now that one dey totori me pass. Go ahead, better person, and deal with Wike as a number one of the state. Use your sense. Fubara, you are really the chosen one from God to the people of River State. Ogogoro man should go and rest because you once said you are like governor in Abuja, but I'm wondering why you just want to die because Rivers people love same Fubara. Bro, continue being like a governor in Abuja and have it in mind that you cannot control a state like River State. River State is bigger than you. Nobody is supposed to be able to control the state. You come in as a governor, you serve the people, you do 4 years, the people love you, they vote for you second term, you do your second term, you bounce. It is that easy. What is it? Why they won't die put? This politics money, some people go use because of them die, get BP die. I did tell you. If you can apply what Wike did to Amechi during test of strength, then you'll be free indeed. Even if it is 1 term, 4 years is not 4 months. It is better than spending 8 years as a coward. I did tell you. This is what I want to hear. It is better than spending 8 years like a coward, but let God decide if it will be 1 term or not. Don't rush into conclusion. Do your work as people of River State. If you vote for you, if you know in 4 years, let it be written that you fought, you were a governor. You can come outside and give your experience as a governor. Not somebody is telling you, sit down, stand up, do this, do that, and the person is come. I know one certain person, but I know me, the Polo is a governor of one state like that they used to call no man's land. That one, sit down, stand up, so that you can fully say, I'm the governor. I did this, I did that during my time. Period. Alright, on this note, you have come to the end of the news. So say thank you for turning it to listen until I come your way next time. Enjoy the rest of your day.